Welcome to our channel. Now we will discuss the concept of digital computer and the block diagram of digital computer. First of all, what is meant by digital computer? Simply, it is an electronic machine that accepts some data and after accepting perform some operation or processing on the data according to the given instructions. So process the data according to the given instructions and then produces some meaningful output. This is called a digital computer. Here we already know the basic definition of computer. Then what is the term digital? Here digital means the computer works with discrete data. The computer works with discrete data, that is separate data, and it does not works with continuous data, that is the term discrete. Now one more point is generally the digital computer, not only digital, any computer works with two states, that is the binary state. What is the reason for the computer accepts only binary state? A simple scenario is computer is made up of some electronic circuits. Generally, these electronic circuits recognize two states. The two states are either on or off. Or also, human language simply generates answers as true or false, yes or no. Even though 0 to 9 decimal numbers existed, the computer accepts only binary state because of these electronic circuits easily recognize on or off state. This is the basic definition of digital computer. Now we are moving to the block diagram of a computer. Okay, now the block diagram of a computer. What the computer mainly consists of three parts. The first part is CPU and the next one is memory and the next one is input output processor. Here two-way communication for the input output processor is connected with input device and produces to output device. This is the block diagram of a computer. Now we will discuss the main three parts. What are the three parts? The first part is called CPU. So CPU is called the brain of the computer. I think everyone know all the basic definitions. So CPU is called brain of the computer. CPU internally consists of three parts: ALU, arithmetic logic unit, register, and then control unit. Everyone need to remember all the names for the entire computer organization. You need to remember all the names. Now what is the purpose of ALU? Which is used for manipulating the data. ALU, arithmetic logic unit, is used for manipulation of data. Register is used for storing of the data. Generally, small and fast storage locations we are using register. Suppose if you want to store small amount of data, if you want to execute very fast, such type of information are stored in the register. Now this control unit plays very crucial role. This unit only maintains the fetch and execute of instructions. That is, which instruction is to be fetched from the memory and which instruction is to be executed. Everything is performed by control unit. All these three comes under CPU. The next one is memory, that is called RAM. Simply this is the main memory which is used for storing of the data and the instructions. Which is used for store the data and instructions. Why it is called a random access memory? So computer, that is CPU, randomly access any memory location directly without any restrictions. It can randomly access any location. So obviously it randomly access means accessing speed is also increased. And this RAM is also used for storing temporary data. That means if you want to perform some operations, the operations require some temporary data. That is, it generates some temporary results. That temporary results are stored inside this RAM. This is called main memory. And the third one is input output processor. So this part is used to provide communication between the computer and external environment. That is, this device takes the input from some input devices from the outside environment and performs some operation. Here memory consists of data that is accessed by the CPU, perform some operation, and the result is moved back to the output devices. So to provide that external communication from the computer, this input output processor is used. This is the basic block diagram of a computer. This is the first topic, digital computer. Thank you.